Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. In today's video, we're going to be doing another monthly update from week 19 to week 22 of my traditional yeared growth. That's right, guys, I'm doing a full year, 52 weeks of no trimming of my beard at all. And we're going to see how it looks in the end. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I highly encourage you to subscribe so that you can follow me on this journey. That being said, this is week 19, and this is week 20, and this is week 21. And guys, that completes the last 4 weeks, week 19 to week 22. This is the front and into the neck, and this is the left side, and this is the right side. If you haven't already subscribed and you're interested in going on this yeared journey with me, I strongly encourage you to do that. No trimming except for the mustache. So really the traditional full 52-week yeared that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So why don't we do a guess? Why don't you give a guess? Like, how long do you think the beard is going to be? So this is week 22, which means in 4 weeks is going to be about 6 months. Like, how long do you guys think the beard is going to get? Is it going to get down to like, I guess at least double of where it's now, which would be like over here, or even longer? Like, what do you guys think? I also, one thing that I should probably do maybe before the yeared is maybe straighten my beard so you guys can see how long it actually is, because right now, like, my beard is really curly. I could probably get an extra inch or so in length out of this beard right now, and because of the neck beard being a little bit longer than the rest of the beard, what I've actually been doing is combing the neck beard from the bottom forward to kind of Velcro into my beard so that I can still have this kind of straight look. I mean, I guess not everyone can do that. You kind of gotta have a curly beard to be able to get those hairs to really stick that way without any kind of like balm or wax or anything. But yeah, it's just something that I've been doing. So like that neck hair comes down to probably about here, and I just comb it up into the existing beard, and that kind of gives that false straight line look of the beard. Anyways, I'm just rambling now, guys. If you made it this far, thanks. I really appreciate you. Now go ahead and make a friend in the comments below. There's a lot of great people down there. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.